In Tacoma Public Schools, voter-approved levies pay for important programs, equipment, and employees that benefit every student at every school.
We all deserve the best chance to reach our full potential in school and beyond, no matter our background, income level, or neighborhood.
Here are some of the many things that happen in our school thanks to levies.
We have 500 more employees, including teachers, nurses, counselors, librarians, paraeducators, and special needs staff.
Our textbooks and other classroom materials for topics like math and reading are kept up to date.
We have safe water and clean air because our school's plumbing, heating, and ventilation systems are kept in good shape.
The roofs at our schools are maintained.
Fire alarms and 911 communication systems are improved to keep students and staff safe.
Special needs programs and accessibility improvements help students with disabilities learn and thrive alongside their peers.
Preschool programs get our youngest learners off to a strong start.
All students can take college entrance exams at no cost to their families.
Arts, music, sports, and extracurricular activities help us explore our passions while learning about hard work and teamwork.
Every K-12 student has a laptop computer for learning at home and school.
Software and online learning tools are kept up to date for students and teachers.
Improved computer security measures protect students online.
Online systems allow students, parents, and teachers to track our progress and keep us on track for graduation.
These are just a few of the ways voter-approved levies help all our students.
2 replacement levies will be on the ballot February 8th, replacing levies that are set to expire.
Learn more at tacomaschools.org/vote.
Be sure to vote.
Be sure to vote.
Be sure to vote.